Children, at the outset, I extend a very good evening to one and all of you. In a literal sense, I am overwhelmed with joy to stand before you in delivering this welcome address on the occasion of my brother B. Harisudhan's daughter Pavitra's Bharatanatyam Arangetra. When we decided this function to be organized, my best friend Mr. K.J.N. Pillai suggested that it could be chief guest Srimati Gopika Verma. We did not think even a single minute. Without any hesitation, we have unanimously decided. Other than the occasion of this nature, we thought, other than Gopika Verma, there could not be any other better person. I extend my warm welcome to Kalimamani, Nritya Chudamani, Srimati Gopika Verma, the Mohiniyattam exponent and royal family of Trivandrum. I extend a warm welcome. An important personality, the guest of honor is here, Air Vice Marshal, Rotarian, PHF, Dr. N. Vijay Kumar, the principal of S&T Global Academy of Management Studies and Technology, and also Vice Chairman of S&T Sriniketan Trust. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to you, sir, for this colorful occasion. Among our midst in this audience right in front of me, the Death Recovery Tribunal, Mr. Manmohan Singh Anand is here. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to you, sir, for this colorful occasion. Here is Dr. T.C.P. Nambiar, the Homeopathy Medical Council of Tamil Nadu and the President of Kairali Cultural Association. He is there to grace the occasion. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. T.C.P. Nambiar for this great occasion. Among the midst of our audience, there is another personality, Mr. S. Purushothaman, President of FCMA, is here to grace the occasion. I extend a warm welcome to you. There are many other distinguished guests here before, right in front of me. It may not be possible for me to name everyone. I extend every one of you who are present here a warm and hearty welcome. I extend also a warm and hearty welcome to all the press, electronic and print media, and to one and all, everyone. I thank you once again. I extend a warm welcome to every one of you. Thank you very much.
Now we move on to the beautiful program of Bharatanatyam Arangetram of Ms. Pavitra Harisudhan, daughter of Mr. Harisudhan and Mrs. Geeta Harisudhan. Pavitra was introduced to dance at the age of 8 under the tutelage of her guru, Vidushi Srimati Mridula Rai, at her dance school Sri Natya Niketan. Since then, she has been learning dance from her highly respected guru. Now, the first performance from Pavitra is Pushpanjali. This is an immigratory item to salute the God, the guru and the audience to bless the performance. Here, the dancer offers flowers in a worshipful manner to all of them. This is also a warm-up piece to prepare the body for the next hours of Bharatanatyam performance. We welcome Ms. Pavitra to perform Pushpanjali based on Tilak Ragam set to Aditalam. Welcome Ms. Pavitra.
Re sa da pa ma ga re sa